Hi friends, welcome to today's episode of Unmasking Trading. Here we discuss today's trade, the logic behind the inputs given in the Telegram group, and also tomorrow's trade. Coming on to morning, today's morning futures was negative for Europe and US. So it was expected that after the opening there won't be any continuous up movement. We had a gap up opening because US and Europe was closing positive on Friday. Today was Monday. So since the futures was negative, what happened was when it opened at a gap up, it came down. So we informed you that today also IT will be bullish. We expected the IT companies other than TCS will be performing better than TCS because TCS will be under profit booking. You can see I told you that other IT companies will be able to maintain the gap up. So you can see here Infosys, Wipro and HCL Technology etc. are growing at a higher rate than TCS because Infosys results are on 13th and HCL I think on January 14th. So it is expected that the bull run in these companies will be continuing for tomorrow, and we can expect heavy profit booking on January 13th. So coming back, we told you that with 6,000 crore FII pumping in last Friday, bull run will be continuing. Okay, because this money is coming from other markets. The foreign investors are taking out money from other markets and investing it to India because after China, the next manufacturing hub is said to be India. We predicted opening at 14,015, but it opened at 14,473, but it came down to 14,400. But it is clear that 14,400 will act as a good support because this 14,400 has had good change in open interest at put side. Okay, so that was a good indication that it will be a good support, and we updated you that lately. And we also told you that in case of any fall, this FIS DIA will be pulling up the market. And today, Europe opened in negative, and the futures was negative. But the market didn't crash that hard. It only had a small hiccups because these FIs are still holding the market. They are pumping the money into the market and looking at the open interest. You can see in Nifty, it is on a bull run. But in Bank Nifty, I think there was no clarity in support. So you can see some support at 32,000, but other than that, we cannot say it as a good support base. You can see here HDFC Bank results are coming on Saturday, so it is having a bull run at the morning itself. But the other banks went down. I think it was a counter move to keep the Nifty below 32,000 by large scale institutional investors because in Bank Nifty you can see 32,000 is having a good call open interest. Coming on to Bank Nifty itself, when the Bank Nifty is coming down to 31,850, some heavy support is given to Bank Nifty. And also you can see today to counter the today's negative Europe before the Europe opening, it was given some good momentum to keep it above 32,000 so that the Europe negative opening didn't pull down the market below 31,770. If it was broken, we could have seen a sell-off. Okay. So if the Bank Nifty comes down, Nifty also falls. It was not good for the put option sellers at 14,400 and below. And coming on to FinNifty, this was launched today. This is a really good entry to futures and options. We have a lot size of 40 at the particular price where the Nifty Finance Service Trust, that is 15,600. One lot costs 7,400. At the same time, for Nifty, it is around 6,000. And for Bank Nifty, we shall check 32,000. It is around 9,500. So I think it is placed between Nifty and Bank Nifty. And you have to remember that this Nifty Financial Services grows better than Nifty 50. Okay, this Nifty Financial Services grows better than Nifty 50 and it beats Bank Nifty by two times. The growth rate of the Nifty Financial Services is two times of Bank Nifty for the last 3 years or so. It will be a good entry and competitor to Bank Nifty. So we might be able to see more and more option sellers going back to Nifty 50 that may be not giving heavy movements in a week or so. Okay. And one more thing, there is a weekly expire for futures option in FinNifty. For Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, it was monthly expiry. Coming on to FII DIA data, you can see today also FIIs has pumped 3,000 crore. That is really positive for our market. And tomorrow also IT stocks are expected to perform good. And coming on to tomorrow's trade, you can see the futures now. Futures is very negative for Dow Jones. It is minus 1%, and also for Nasdaq and S&P 500, it is close to minus 1%. And Europe still is trading in negative. You can see it is affecting SGX Nifty. So it came from 14,500 to 14,400. If you see the Nifty today, Nifty plots today, it was really trying to break the 14,500 mark, and it is consolidating with an upward trend. With the Q3 result, this negative global markets may not have an impact tomorrow also because of our Q3 results, expected Q3 results, and because of foreign investors which are considering disinvestment in other market and shifting towards India. If we see the option chain analysis, we can see a good put option writing at 14,400, that is 23 lakh. And as the day progresses, we can see that this OI is shifting from bottom to top. That is, it is shifting from 14,300 to 14,400, then 14,400 to 14,500. So tomorrow, if you see a big OI shift in 14,500 in morning itself, this tab, you can confirm it is a bull market. And also you can check people are exiting the positions, all option writing positions below 14,400, and there is not much interest generated in the region below 14,700. And tomorrow also we can have a good faith in 14,400 to act as a good support. And if there is any profit booking or a fall, I expect Nifty to take good support at 14,250. Coming on to Bank Nifty, there is not much clarity in Bank Nifty. 32,000 is holding equal amount of put and call option sellers, and towards the end, I think some reduction in call option writing at 32,000. On the downside, we do not see any critical support developing. You can see today the change in open interest at 31,500 is only 950. So in case of a fall, the only thing that saves the Bank Nifty will be FIAs or DAS. You can see there is no confidence in selling put option below 32,000. You can see only 950 put options are sold. Change in open interest is only 950 at 31,500 PE. On the upper side, you can see 32,500 is expected to act as a good resistance, and also considerable amount of call options are sold between 32,000 and 32,500. You have to remember that the all-time high of Bank Nifty is around 32,600. So if it breaks, it can give good momentum, but I don't think it will be broken in this week. In the coming week, that is on Saturday, HDFC results will come. So we can expect that to be happening in the next week. And also you have to remember that last time we had good results in Indus India Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, and HDFC Bank, and also SBI in the government sector. So these are major banks in Bank Nifty. One positive result in one bank can set a chain reaction in other bank also, like the IT sector. So we can expect that to be broken in the next week. So you can see US market is still not open. So I'll be updating about tomorrow's trade before 8:50 in the morning in our Telegram group. I'll be sharing the link below this video. Please join the group. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.